Okay, everybody, I'd just like to introduce our Minister, Chris Thomas, who has a few interesting words to say about the horse trams, and I hope you'll enjoy listening to them. Thank you.
I've often been accused of talking over people, but I've never had the opportunity of talking over horses before. So I'm known for making short speeches, so I'll take into account the situation I'm in. Congratulations and thank you to everybody involved, from the workshop through to the stables, to the people who actually operate the trams, to the people here in the office. Massive achievement. So many people are delighted with today, which is incredibly significant. Beyond that, this is an important part of two things. First of all, it's a crucial part of our promenade, so I'd like to go out to thank everybody who heard us when we said that this service was going to be restarting again by the end of July, and they actually delivered beyond contracts in some cases, and it is delivered by the end of July. And from tomorrow, the timetabled service of the horse trams will be back in schedule, the same as it was in 2019, with improvements. And secondly, I'd like to sort of associate ourselves with a hugely historical, cultural island, because the horse tram service and the horses themselves and these wonderful trams is as much as part of the Isle of Man as the TT and the Manx Cat and Tynwald and all of the other things that are unique and special about the island. Strathallan Depot, which is where we are today, is a new innovation, but it's based on what everything looked like back in the Edwardian days, before in the 1930s a second story was put on. And essentially, before declare the service reopen again, I just want to say I really think that the Victorians would have been proud of us, and that's an important thing to say. So thank you to everybody involved. Congratulations.